This huge bag looks simple, but every chip inside took a high-speed, high-heat journey.
It starts with the humble potato, chosen for size, starch, and how evenly it fries.
Harvesters lift them gently, shaking off dirt without bruising, because bruises turn into bitter chips. Next stop, the plant. Fresh potatoes move fast before moisture and damage can add defects.
At the factory, everything becomes a controlled pipeline. Speed, cleanliness, and consistency.
A heavy wash knocks off soil and grit. Anything left behind would burn in the fryer.
Sorting catches problems early. Rotten spots, cuts, or weird shapes that won't slice evenly.
Steam loosens the skin in seconds, fast enough to peel, gentle enough to keep the potato intact. This is the make or break step. Thinner slices crisp faster. Thicker slices stay chewy. A rinse removes excess surface starch, less sticking, less scorching, and a cleaner crunch. Less water means safer frying and better texture. Dry slices crisp, wet slices sputter.
Now heat does chemistry. Water flashes out as steam, and the potato structure locks into a crisp shell.
Time and temperature are tuned like an instrument. Too long tastes burnt, too short tastes raw. A fast shake drops extra oil, so the chips feel light, not greasy. Seasoning sticks best while the chips are warm. Just enough surface oil to act like edible glue. Cooling sets the crunch. If you bag them hot, trapped steam turns crisp into soft.
They watch for color, thickness, and breakage. Because a big bag only works if the chips survive the ride.
Smart scales build each portion, fast enough for volume, accurate enough to hit the big family size every time. The bag is formed and sealed in one motion. Tight seams keep air out and crunch in. A protective gas replaces oxygen, slowing staleness and turning the bag into a cushion against crushed chips.
From here it's logistics. Boxed, stacked, and wrapped so it arrives looking like it just left the line.
A few days ago, these were muddy potatoes. Now they're engineered crunch, ready for a snack attack.
That's the secret of the XXL bag. Perfect slicing, perfect frying, and perfect sealing, so every handful still snaps.